Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys Bluetooth network problem guys, how can we solve in Infinix phone. Friends, you want to solve your Infinix phone guys phone Bluetooth network problems, how can we solve today friends. I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video friends. Now let's see how can we solve Bluetooth network problem in Infinix phone device. So we will on guys our phone setting. After on phone setting and scroll it. System setting we will tap here. Guys click on your reset option. Guys click on this Bluetooth setting guys. You can see guys Bluetooth setting guys. We will tap here to solve. So after that guys you can see guys your phone. This notification guys, use your device to continue. Means guys you will have to draw guys your device pattern. Then guys we can solve our Bluetooth network problem. So guys I will draw my pattern log and I will tap on the reset option. Then guys please wait. So guys our Bluetooth network problem will solve after reset the setting guys. So guys you can see a Bluetooth network is solved guys. Now guys you can use guys your Infinix phone guys phone Bluetooth setting guys. So where is Bluetooth setting? So friends you can see Infinix phone guys more connection guys. We will tap here and we will on guys our Bluetooth setting guys. And guys you want to pair and guys you want to connect a device. So guys you can connect in your Infinix phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to solve Bluetooth network problem. So bye guys.